round of applause for flag racing bird, Chance. Chance is our blue and gold ball. Blue and gold ball has a beautiful shade of gold back with a solid shade of yellow on the belly and in the wings. They are recognized as solid black. Blue and gold balls are part of the largest parrots, measuring up to 80 in length and can live up to 60 years old. And that is Chance, our blue and gold ball for you. So again, round of applause for flag racing bird, Chance, with trainer Joel. Hello everybody, welcome to Manila Ocean Park's All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer Jonathan. Alright, so here's an object that I will hide under one of these three silver cups. Now guys, where do you want me to put the object? On your left, on your right, or just here in the middle? Which side? Here on the middle, sir? Okay, let's put it right there. So now, let's call it our second word, dazzle. Well, dazzle is our super-tested cockatoo. Scientific name is Kakatuwa galerica. Common inhabitants of open woodlands and forest areas along the east coast of Australia. They are very loud birds and can mimic almost any sounds. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. And they also love horns. Now guys, do you think dazzle has the ability to find that hidden object? Yes, so you can do it, Dazzle!
You can do it, Dazzle.
Alright, Dazzle, find the hidden object for us. Where could that be? Oh, straight on the middle. Are you sure, Dazzle? And he did it! So, round of applause for our second word, Dazzle. So now, our next featured birds are just like any married couple who know the most, and they will be our partners for life. With their life in happy, with the best in their relationship, there will always be battles. Now guys, Pete, Bandit, and Sassy, our beautiful pair of pink macaws, added against Aaron with trainer Joel. So I was saying earlier, they are actually our partners for life. But today, they will badly tell us who's the best in the basketball game. Okay, before we start, I'm going to divide you guys into two. So, where are the girls? All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on, girls, I will hear you cheer. Sassy! Sassy!
Sassy! Sassy!
Very good, girls. And how about the boys? All the boys will cheer for Bandit. Come on, boys. Bandit! Bandit! Alright, let's do this. Trainers ready? Birds ready. Set and go.
Sassy! 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 Go, Sassy!
Second score for Sassy.
Sassy!
Third score for Bandit. Third score for Sassy. That's who's gonna win.
Sassy!
Bandit wins. Very good, Bandit. So, 1 point for the boys. And to Aaron. You lose this time. What do you want to say?
Hey, do you want another race?
He wants another race.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again? This time I guarantee you that Sassy will win. So what race do you have in mind?
Yeah, what race? Pero Aaron?
I want a ring race. What is a ring race? The first bird who can drop the 3 wings into the pole the fastest is winning.
Okay, so our ring race is so big. So, boys, I will ready 1 point. And girls, come on. Let's cheer for Sassy to win this time, okay?
Sassy!
So, once
Sassy!
again. And this time, a ring race. Ready? Set and go!
Sassy! Sassy!
Alright, so 1 for the Bandit. Second score, Bandit. Come on, Bandit. Second score for Bandit. Third win, Bandit. Hey!
Yay! Good job, Sassy!
And the winner is
Sassy!
Sassy. So, Trainer Joel, have you seen that? Sassy did 2 rings at the same time. What do you want to say?
Hey, you cheated.
Sis, you cheated. Cheated, Aaron.
We didn't cheat. Sassy use her brain.
Oh, sassy user brain. Well, is it true that girls are more intelligent than the boys?
Yes!
Of course. Not. So again, for the applause for a beautiful pair of Queenie Boss, Bandit and Sassy.
Sassy.
So parrots in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive. That is why we're continuing to enhance their skills and not get bored. Now, who knows this game? This is called the Shape Box Puzzle.
You know this game,
Do you
yeah?
still remember playing with this when you're
You
younger?
know that game? Shape?
So once again, here is Sassy. We are witnessing how
Yes.
intelligent Sassy in the ring is, right?
Yes.
Now,
What Sassy, oh?
Sassy's going to show us
What
how
shape is
intelligent
that?
she is by putting back the shapes back
shape
to the
is that,
heart
Mia?
stand. Just like Sassy, Big Mimos are from South America. And they are known as the gentle giant of the parrots family because they are the second largest next to the highest Mimos. They grew up to 90 centimeters in length and they live
That one, Mia, what shape is that?
Centimeters
Very good. The
It
next
is
one.
containing seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals
good.
along the riverbanks. For the last shape Sassy, the
Clap
triangle
ka,
shape.
Sassy. Oh, clap ka, Sassy.
Oh, there you go. Intelligent, right?
Yay!
So, round of applause for
Very good, Sassy. Woo! Ulit na si Sassy. May na doon.
Counting sheep when you're trying to sleep.
Now, guys, who loves math?
When there's something to
All
share.
of us here knows addition, right? Because this next part of the program will leave most people baffled in the maze. Even us trainers. Do you think birds can do math?
Oh, when you go.
But before we go like Mathematical Wizard, I'm gonna be asking for two numbers between 1 to 50. So, anyone who can give me a number between 1 to 50. Any number, baby?
Can you hold in an
What?
elephant's ear
Number
when
10.
it's noon?
Okay, so first number is number 10.
If you could,
How about the second number? Any number, guys?
or somewhere in that
26.
Guys, now? 13. Okay, so second number is 13.
to use when you know. What's
Yes,
the
go.
chances you know
So,
when you
our equation is 10 plus 13.
don't try as you may, you just can't.
All of us here knows the answer, right? But we must not tell the answer yet. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve this equation.
We agree
Now, let's call in our hypermahal, Rocky.
as he confirms what they're
Rocky.
down in that margin.
Oh, very good, Rocky. What a nice entrance. So, turn this up. Is Rocky ever ready?
Even time to beat all
Okay, Rocky, solve the equation for us. 10 plus 13.
harmonize with the rest of the guys.
Oh, Rocky got the first number correct. He gets the number 2. And Rocky loves numbers. Oh, the second number.
Counting sheep when you're trying to
He gets the number 3.
very
so 10 plus
good.
13 is equals to
23.
23. So again, round of applause for our mathematical wizard, Rocky.
Wala na. Layong-layo ng pinlay ni Rocky.
Alright, this time I need an owl volunteer with a 500 peso bill. Anyone who wants to be the lucky volunteer for the day? We will be needing an owl with a 500 peso bill. Anyone, guys? How about this side? Anyone? Come on. On the upper picture. Anyone who wants to volunteer? Anyone? We will need an adult. Yes, ma'am, wearing black. Please come here in front with your 500 peso bill. Okay. Sir, come here. Hey guys, you will notice the birds in our show are mostly parrots. This is because parrots are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musical birds. They have a very good memory and can remember even the smallest details. Alright, sir, here. Kumakama pa. Hi sir, first up, what is your name? How about one of us for our volunteer, Mr. Ivan? So sir, can I have your 500 peso bill? There you go. Follow me, sir. And all you have to do is to stand up right there. This way, this one. And facing straight. Extend your right arms just like this. Straight through. So put your money between your fingers. So, Ivan, do you have any idea what will happen next?
The parrot will take the money.
Okay, let's see. Now, let's call in our money bird, Buddy. By the way, guys, Buddy is our Mulukan kakatoon. Scientific name is Kakatoon colicensis. And these birds can be found from eastern Indonesia. And they are the largest among the white animals. Hands raised. Are you ready? Better be, because here comes Buddy. Oh, Buddy flies over. Gets the money, drop it on the box, and I guess Buddy will donate the money to our donor. I have a question for you. Did you know that the Manila Ocean Park is also a resident of birds? Did you know that, sir? No. So now you know. So your money will go a long way when you're very, very grateful. Thank you so much, sir. So then we'll applause for our donor. Sir, you can now take a seat. Thank you for 500 pesos. So, anyone else? 1,000 pesos at this time. Anyone, guys? Donation for the birds? Sir Ivan? Are you okay, sir? No, sir. You look so sad. No, sir. We're just joking. Sir. Sir Ivan, we're just joking. Just come here in front and we will bring back your money. Right, buddy? Oh, what is it, buddy? Are you sure? Okay. Sir, Buddy is saying something. Before Buddy gives your money back, Buddy wants to give you a kiss. Is that okay, sir? It's alright. So all you have to do is place the camera and overtake. Oh, another kiss, Buddy. How about on the shoulder? So, sir, place the camera, give your best pose and best smile. Thank you so much, sir. There's your money. So, now let's go our volunteer to our money bird, Buddy.